another awesome video of Sage's Universe, and today we're playing Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch. I want to show you guys this. I just built it. It's a ginormous hanging bird cage. No, guys, I'm sorry, but my screen freezes sometimes. Okay, now we're ready. Well, we have two birds. Oh, I fell. We have two birds in here. We have Rocky, the blue bird, and we have Flicker, the red bird. Flicker is a girl, and Rocky is a boy. So what you need for this thing is you need to put this, you need to go up like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need to go up 6, and then you put a fence piece. Then you put one block right there. Then you start making a giant square. Then you fill the top up. Then you need to put bars all around there. Make sure it's not touching the floor. Put all the grass pieces over there. Fill up the floor. And then all you need is some birds inside your bird cage. Let me show you what's inside, because I just moved here and I'm going to be living here for many days or many years. So let's close my metal door. I'm falling down the tracks. Yeah, I have my own mind. So I'm starting to kind of build this. I just hurt myself. I'm starting to kind of build that, and this is my my bird room. Here's my bird room, and I took those two birds out of my bird room, but I made the bird room a little bit bigger. And here's Pizza, my beloved cockatoo, and here is Spark, my boy red bird, Spark. Yep, this is my bird cage. It has a nice view, and I forgot to place, nope, wrong spot. I forgot to place a little metal bar perch for my birds. Show you what it looks like. I'm gonna place a few perches around here, so then my birds can sit their little feet on there. This one's going to be for looking outside, and this one might be looking for outside too. Yep. In this chest, well, I'm still melting iron and stuff, but it has like iron ingots and gold bars and stuff like that. In here is my furnace, and might as well place some of this stuff in here. Bamboo and stuff. Well, oh my god, I need to place metal ball. Metal ball. I need to take, I'm sorry, it's too bright in the room. It's too bright. Okay, now I'm going to show you how my mine is. My mine. I have tracks going, well, not finished with the tracks, but this is the best. It goes down, 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 and then it goes up, 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 and then it just falls right down there, and all the minecarts are gonna fall down. Let me see. It fell. Yay, I guess. Yay. I don't know why I'm saying yay, but it fell down. Well, we also, let's see. We have lots of torches around here. We're still trying to fill up our mine spots and still mining in here. This is our underground mine. Oh, I just hurt myself. Right here, we're still exploring. It's the, oh dang, I gotta get this redstone. Oh dang, I almost fell. Oh dang. Yep, a lot of lava. Hashtag lava. I almost fell down into the dark abyss of the lava chamber. Wait, what? Wait, oh. I need to go over. I need to go over here so then I don't fall and die. Ah! I'm covered in lavas. No, I hate it. Ah! Why? Why, Sage? Why? I almost died in lava there. I know why, but I kind of want to jump into lava. Okay, guys, don't mind me. I just want to jump inside of the lava. Oh, dang, there's some good stuff. Oh, dang. Oh, it's nighttime. Let me go to bed. Let me go to bed. Okay, we're all good. Okay, so let's check on our bird outside. Right here. Oh, they're doing great. Oh my God, hello. I'm going to be taking pizza outside so then we can get some fresh air. Taking pizza. I can't make it. Ugh. Pizza's coming out. Come on, pizza. Pizza, you coming? Pizza. Little boy. Boy, where are you? Oh, there! You scared me. Okay, let's sit you down and, wait, I need to search for watermelons. That's what all I want to do. I'm gonna search for food because I need food to eat. Okay. Come on. Come on. Pizza, we can't take for millions of years just to do this. Pizza. Boy, where are you? I thought you were the torch. Pizza? Did I sit you down? Pizza, where are you? I hear you. Pizza? Pizza. Did I just... Pizza, why are you up there? Come back here. Come back here. What are you doing? Get on my shoulder. There. Get on my shoulder. Nice. Thank you for getting on my shoulder, Pizza. Because Pizza sometimes, well, I just kind of caught him, or got him, and tamed him, so I'm still trying to work on his, on how he is. Oh dang, I need to get him off my shoulder. No. Did it work? No. Pizza. Sit. Nope. Sit. Good boy. Get up. Good boy. Now do not go in my mine shaft. You will die or maybe explode by lava. Okay, we're searching for watermelons now. Let me get you those. Hey. There's no way to close my door. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna go search for watermelons on the other side of the stream. Wait, because I need food. There's barely any food rather than watermelon. Wait, is there a way to build? No, that would be weird. You can only find them out here in the watermelon-y path of doom. Watermelon path of doom. I don't know why, but I kind of like the watermelon path of doom. Well, it's not really Whoa, what was I doing? Okay. Ah! Water zombie! Water zombies are coming! Water zombies! Sorry, Lizzie. Lizzie's on my lap right now. I'm constantly petting her while I'm playing, and it's kind of weird. Ow. That was kind of funny. When I just went, watermelon? Watermelon guy, watermelon poop, watermelon doo-doo. I can't find watermelon doo-doos. Where's my watermelon, things? Watermelon. I need you. Watermelon, please come out, wherever you watermelons are. I think there might be watermelons. Please be watermelons. Whoa, boy. I'm so happy for watermelons. The watermelons, oh, bam. Okay. Are you a bird? A bird! Hi. Hi. Oh, you scared me. I need seeds. I got a seeds. Bird? Birky? Birdie? Boopy? Boopy. Hey, do you know what? That would be funny if I did name him Boopy. Wait, Boopy? I'm gonna name him, Flash, because he's so fast. You love me already? Thanks! Why is this Ocelot trying to kill you? What are you doing, Ocelot? I hate you. Okay, time to go back. Since we found a bird who needs to be tamed, well, we already tamed him. I always should keep extra seeds on me. Okay. Still following me. Following me. Okay, found my place. Yep. I'm growing lots of bamboo that gets in my way over here. So then I can make sticks and twigs, and because they're all crafting recipes in the crafting table for that stuff. Now we have more birds. Come on, guys, meet our new bird. Oh, I thought he was right there. Come on, guys. Come on. Is he on my shoulder? No. Where is he? Dude. He just teleported in their room. Okay. Let's go ahead and, I don't know. Show you, I'm gonna go in my mines. Okay, guys, actually, okay. My screen froze for a second. So when I'm done showing you my mine, it's the end of the video. Okay, so we've been digging all around here and mining for stuff I dug up there and stuff. There's a lot of coal in our mines. I have a lot of coal. And, yeah, I have a zombie. We hear lots of zombies around here. There's a lot of zombies around, in this area. And, there's a lot of monsters and mobs and all that kind of bad stuff. Well, it's time to It's the time that no one likes. It's the end of Sage's Universe. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell button, and make sure to keep on watching. Bye!